When I make money, I ain't trying to hold up. That's just how I'm living. Hey y'all, it's allofdestiny, and in this video, start to finish, we'll be doing my wash day routine. So I have to take down my braids. We're gonna do the shampooing, the conditioning, basically everything that got me up to this point. I'm also cutting in my hair a little bit. A lot of y'all be telling me that I should, so you should stay to the end so that you can see all of that taking place. Let's get right into the video. Short intros over here. So starting off, I've already taken down my 4 feet-in braids. If you all saw the last hair tutorial, that's the style I was wearing. Went ahead and detangled my hair, and now here we are in the shower. I had footage of me taking them down, but I was talking throughout their process, as this video is already pretty lengthy. We'll do that separately some other time. And although this is a one brand products hair tutorial, my dermatologist recommends that I use the prescribed ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ shampoo. This one is 2%. I have to use it with every wash. We're not going to skip that, especially since my would have been April appointment got pushed back to June. I need my scalp to be flake free. But again, this still is a one brand tutorial, so we're starting off with this shampoo first, and I'm massaging that through. You have to massage it on the affected area, let it sit for 5 minutes, and I was just like, what am I gonna do for 5 minutes standing around in the shower? Now y'all see why I like to wash my hair in the kitchen, because I at least get to walk around for 5 minutes. But either way, following the directions on the bottle, one application of that shampoo is enough. So now we're moving on to the Creme of Nature shampoo. I'm using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. I'm going to apply a generous amount of this to wet hair and massage it into a lather. The directions say to rinse thoroughly and repeat. Since I've already used the ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ shampoo, this is technically my second wash, so we're only going to use this shampoo once. I like to use my shampoo brush when shampooing my hair because it really helps to massage the scalp and make sure that I remove any buildup, especially since I was wearing braids prior to this. The thumbs up is because this shampoo was, for one, moisturizing and had my hair feeling really soft, which is actually one of the claims on the packaging. It says detangles and softens. After using the Pure Honey shampoo, I took the Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask by Creme of Nature, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount of this to my hair from roots to ends. The instructions do say you can leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. You could also steam your hair or sit under a hooded dryer. If I was washing my hair in my kitchen sink, it definitely would have been more convenient for me to sit under the dryer and go back to the sink. I wasn't going to get out of the shower, deep condition with this mask, and then come back to the shower. That was doing too much. You can see the change in the length of my hair being combed through. I love this hair mask, by the way. Next time I wash my hair, I'm going to do it in the kitchen. That way I can actually sit underneath the hooded dryer because I know my hair just a little bit and it loves products better when I do use heat. Now that my Instagram rant is over, if you follow me on Instagram, all of those shower venting, ranting clips, that's what I spent time doing while I was waiting. This is a hot mess. Y'all can keep this. Unless I'm not filming, maybe I could wash my hair in the shower. Maybe. We'll see how my skin feels though. This, my kitchen sink would never. I don't know how late this video is in relation to the Instagram story, but I'll probably put it on my YouTube story. But if y'all saw those stories, y'all can keep this. Cause my floor wet, my lens got a little foggy, and I've been stepping in and out to turn the I'm a one-woman show right here. Ain't no camera crew behind me working the camera. So y'all can keep this, but we're gonna rinse this hair mask out though, and that's real nice. I like it. I like the mask, but this here, look at that hair. Look at that hair right there. Like, y'all can keep this. Don't ever tell me anything else about when I wash my hair in the kitchen sink, because my kitchen sink will never. Period. This a lot to clean up. That small sink. Let's just rinse my mask out. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. That's cold. Oh my. Hi, hold on. It's warming up. Okay. Y'all, oh wait. If y'all don't get this video a thumbs up, I know something. One of the claims on this hair mask is that it's a super slip detangler. When I was combing through my hair, it definitely wasn't too hard for me to do that. So that claim for me was true. And although I didn't sit underneath the hooded dryer like I normally do with conditioners, my hair was still left soft. Oh my god. Okay, I like this. Ooh. Next up is the conditioner on my eyes. Give me this towel. Moisturizing Dry Defense. Is that what y'all like, cinematic angles? So far, very moisturizing. I don't want to not remember to say that in the voiceover because I know I'm going to do the voiceover days later. So far, the shampoo, I love it. The hair mask, I love it. And the conditioner is really just going to be the icing on the cake. And my hair is officially detangled at this point. That's one thing I can say that I like in comparison to when I do wash my hair in the kitchen sink, because you flip your hair forward. So at least my hair is already going in the direction that I want it to be styled in. Imagine detangling my hair and then I flip my head back over over to washing more in the sink. So I give y'all the benefit of the doubt for that much. A lot of these other cons, you can keep it, sis, you can keep it. But like I said, maybe if my shower curtain was pulled, I could be a little bit about this life. Maybe. But at the same time, if hair is as dirty as you all say, which was the reason most people didn't comprehend why I wash my hair in the sink. You know, my mom did that growing up. You would never backtalk your mother and say that you just gonna get your little bitty butt up there on that counter and hope she don't get shampoo in your eye when you was growing up. Right? Right. This is all I lost to the hair mask when I was detangling. Not bad at all. Gonna put that on the outside of the shower. Just detangle from the bottom up. How long does it say sit? Because I'm not about to stand around for 5 more minutes doing nothing. I'm not showering in between because obviously it's another step. So it's like, why I'm gonna keep showering? After we rinse the conditioner out, then I'll shower. Oh great, it says leave on up to 5 minutes. But I still can't shower in that time because when I rinse the conditioner out, the conditioner is on my skin again. So do y'all shower again? I guess y'all do. Y'all don't probably be understanding my sarcasm sometimes. A whole lot of conditioner because I got an idea for my thumbnail actually. Don't be stingy. My hair is already detangled at this point. I'm just distributing it through. Space so tight right here. Messing up my nails. My hair is really soaking this up. After about 5 more minutes of allowing that to sit, I'm going to go ahead now and rinse that out with warm water before we move on to the leave-in conditioner. The thumbs up this time is because my hair was still soft again. So now we're taking the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray this all over my hair. I'm trying something different since I normally shampoo my hair in the kitchen. I was like, let me twist my hair up in sections, apply the leave-in conditioner, and then I'll proceed with my shower. So that's what I'm doing, detangling my hair, and I'm just explaining obvious steps. So never mind. Look at that. Shrinkage is very real. To keep the water from dripping all over my face while I was trying to finish my shower, I went ahead and wrapped my hair in a t-shirt since I recently threw out my generic ᶫᵒᵦᵤᵤ. After my shower, I went ahead and did my makeup, and now to the styling process. Finally. Oh, we look... Trust the process. Creme of Nature Moisture Whipped Twisting Cream. So I'm going to sort of do, I guess, what people call like the LOC method. I just haven't decided if I want to do LOC or LCO. L is for leave-in, O is for oil, C is for cream. This is the Creme of Nature Essential 7 Oil Treatment. This one isn't pure honey, but I wanted it to kind of be the same brand, so I stuck within the Creme of Nature section, and this was the oil that they have. This is from the Coconut Milk Collection. And to make it official, y'all know I have my faves when it comes to edge control, but I did go ahead and get the Creme of Nature Moisture Infusion Edge Control. This is also by Pure Honey. Sometimes y'all know I come straight from the sink and start doing my hair, and I was like, I wonder what happens if I sit down, do my makeup, and let the leave-in conditioner kind of soak into my hair before I just go straight into styling. And I also have some scissors handy if I decide to do a little bit of cutting. Ooh, it's thick. I wasn't expecting it to be thick like this. This is the twisting cream. I'm not twisting my hair, but this is going to be my cream, I guess, after the leave-in, and then we'll put the oil on top. By twisting my hair like this too, it's like my hair is already sectioned for me to work the product in and keep it pushing. Ooh, I like the fact that I didn't go straight into styling my hair. A little something. My Cantu detangling brush as well. I probably shouldn't brush through my hair. I'm probably about to ruin what I just had looking cute. My hair is still damp, believe it or not, by the way. I ruined it. Shouldn't have brushed through it. The only product I'm going to use outside of the Creme of Nature line is the Extreme Wet Line Gel, since I don't have a gel and I do kind of want to put a gel in my hair. Just gonna take a little bit. I've never used wet line before, so whatever happens will also be my first impression. See, that's what I be talking about when I tell y'all if I put too much product on my hair doesn't like that, and then y'all be like, oh, Destiny's hair is damaged. No, Destiny just used too much product sometimes because she's still learning. So I gotta wait it now. It's trial and error for me just doing it on camera for you all. Whenever I show it to you all, this isn't a mastered technique. It's too much product. That's okay. All right. Even less gel than that. See, now that's straight, which will make somebody take scissors to their hair falsely, incorrectly, because my hair don't like it. Oh! Let's take some of the oil, put that on top to seal in the moisture. And I'm trying to also slide off some of the product if I can. I guess I'll dab that on this shirt. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're not gonna do the gel. The gel may be okay. I think just not with this combo, because my sister uses wet line all the time and she loves it. Oh, why did I use that? Oh my goodness. We're gonna try the next section just with the twisting cream and the oil and see what happens. And probably taking too much. It's not doing anything. These products probably aren't bad. It's just, I don't know how to do my natural hair that well. Maybe my hair likes this method. Okay, let's do that and see. Looking at the directions on this product, it says that you can twist, shingle, coil, or wash and go. It's great for twisting the hair. My hair likes that. Okay. It's gonna take us longer, but we'll do that if you like it. If you like it, hair. Oh my goodness. See why you have to play around with it? And they say Destiny needs a trim. Destiny's hair doesn't curl. Yeah, alright. I'm spiraling forward because I heard Sunkissed Alba talk about how if you were to like get in close and observe the way your hair curls, that our hair actually curls in, curling this way towards the face and not away from it. So that's why I'm doing that. It's gonna take a while, but I'm gonna do this to my hair. I've noticed sometimes whenever I do spiral my hair around my fingers, that my hair does really like that. The difference between the two, my hair appreciates this more than me just leaving it be, if that makes sense. Trial and error here, figuring it out. And I want to make sure I'm getting enough on the root as well. Comparing both sides with the twisting cream, on this side I just kind of work the products throughout my hair. It's longer on that side, but when I twist it around my fingers, I get a little more definition. So she said my roots are horrible.
You put too much product, them not mixing well. You gonna have flakes everywhere. When they get them looking like balled up like that, they gonna try and turn into flakes.
I put the leave-in in when I was in the shower. This is the twisted cream and the oil. We was just talking about that before you came in. I can't just run my fingers through it and get a curl. I have to spiral it. Our hair different though, T.
I told you, you gonna learn. You can't mix that and gel.
Alright, well I won't use the gel then. But how am I gonna have a hold in my curls without a gel?
There ain't no curl. The end curl, what is it? Girl,
where?
You gonna have to wash your hair.
I ain't washing my hair again.
All that, when it get to balling up like that, it's gonna be flaky. If it can't mix in your hand right now without doing it, it's gonna be flaky. I'm telling you that now. I'm the queen of curls. I know what I'm talking about. I'm heading out though. So you need to stop and rest it out your hair and start over. Because you're gonna have to rinse it anyway. It's flaking up.
They mixing. I just put them in my hand.
There's some extra stuff in your head.
The oil and the leave-in, their leave-in cream.
Apparently you ain't putting it in good enough in your hair.
Alright, let's try another section.
Oh, it ain't wet enough or something.
I'm gonna wet it again. My hair gotta be soaking wet. Whoa, I just got it all over the mirror. Okay. I don't know what to do to my hair. How about this section?
My hair be dripping wet.
Dripping wet.
I don't understand the importance of water.
Alrighty, let's try this again. See you later. Dripping wet. Maybe no more gel on this side. So, with careful consideration, I've decided to basically pull out the finger coils that I had done. And I'm going to do my best to make sure that my hair is actually defined before I just start cutting pieces that I didn't define properly, if that makes sense. Probably does, probably doesn't, who knows. But gonna go ahead and basically just trim my hair. This isn't anything for me to really explain because it's not tutorial style, so that's why it's in hyperlapse. But I was like, oh, okay. And I noticed, because I remember the Glam Twins did this video once on how you like get a different type of curl when you use the dimming brush or a detangling brush in a circular motion to define your curls. So I'm basically working these same products through the hair, and then once I think I've defined my curls to the best of my ability, that's when I'm cutting the ends that to me seem to not really curl. My most asked question is, Destiny, are you fully natural? Because I know y'all haven't seen really like big chop uploads from me, or hey, I'm fully natural now type of uploads. My last relaxer was in April of 2017, but I never did a big chop. Most times when I was styling my hair back home before I moved out, you know how if you're just standing in the restroom and you reach for scissors and then you don't pick up the camera, you just picked up the scissors. So that's where a lot of me trimming my hair came from, but I never really did a big chop on my hair. I get that question a lot, like, can you go natural without a big chop? Yes, that's what I did. But I guess it's like, can I really claim big chop if I was doing little small trims here and there? More so out of curiosity, like, ooh, I want to see what my curl looks like if I just cut the rest of the relaxed ends off of this particular piece. So that's what I did. So I guess in a sense, maybe y'all can say this is officially like my little sort of chop. I'm just shaking my hair around so I can see what I'm working with. And then I proceeded to just diffuse my hair and go on with the rest of my day. This isn't really to shape my hair, so it's not like even all over. I'm just trimming any ends that were straight. To me, I wish I would have let my sister define my curls, because then I would really be able to see which pieces do need to be cut. Because if you improperly define your curls, you could possibly cut off portions that are actually curly. Hopefully that makes sense. And of course, your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. So to finish up the style, I'm taking the Moisture Infusion Edge Control. This is by Creme of Nature as well, from the Pure Honey line. And I'm using my Africa's Best edge brush and comb. It's a brush on one end, comb on the other end. I went ahead and proceeded with my day about 8 hours before I checked back in with you guys. In some sections like the back, I didn't really have to cut anything off. That was already fully natural. But in other sections, I ended up cutting maybe somewhere about 2.5 inches. So I've made it back home. It's 9:30, Wednesday still, May the 6th. For the most part, it's dry. Not really, but oh, look at this. Look, I'm basically about to wash my makeup off and get settled for bed, so I can't prolong it longer than this best as it's gonna get, okay? For now, it's shrunken a little bit more. Like, it's just like, all right, we're gonna go even tighter. But this is me. I'm okay with the shrinkage. Like, I don't have a point to prove to be like, yeah, my hair is actually this long. Like, if it shrinks, whatever. All of the products as a whole, I absolutely love them. I'm definitely going to be like using that line until I run out. You all can leave things down below that you all want me to use on my hair next, but these products, next time I wash my hair, I'm using them again. I absolutely love the way my hair turned out. It's not like crunchy. As far as sleeping, I'm just gonna put a bonnet on, and I hope when I fluff my hair that it'll be okay. Yes. I'm all over the place. I've been, as my mama would say, ripping and running. So I walked in, cut the lights on, and I was like, I need to conclude this video and get settled for bed. So really my thoughts as far as what I need to say is all over the place. Fingers crossed that voiceover Destiny took care of everything she needed to take care of. If I have to pick the main product that I really love, I would say the hair mask and the shampoo. I really like those a lot. When you think of a shampoo, you don't think of, oh my god, my hair feels super soft while shampooing it. Like, really? But then again, since I did go from taking down braids to doing this, I have to think about the fact that I had lots of buildup. You know how people do pre-poos and they have a whole bunch of oil and all of that in their hair? So maybe it was that. I don't know. We'll know next time when I wash my hair within a week again, because clearly it won't have braids or anything like that. I'm pretty sure y'all are probably gonna say you need to cut some more, this, that, and the other. When I wash my hair and look at it again, I'll do that. But honestly, I was just like, I'm finna get out of the house. Like, I got up and spent the footage that y'all saw. I know I chopped it up. I was recording for a good minute, but I'm already talking for 3 minutes now just on this. This is supposed to be the outtake. So this is the back. And if I was to like do like this, feel that they are still wet up in the root. I'm going to try my best to not like just sleep on it and flatten it out. I know y'all say like pineapple, try the pineapple method, ponytails, all of that. As short as my hair is, pineapple what? Pineapple what? You see what I'm saying? Like, that'll just force it to be stuck like this in the morning. Pineappling, I feel like it's for people with long hair. I'm not gonna prove a point because I'm not a guinea pig on my channel to be like, I'll prove a point and do the pineapple method. Like, I'm not doing that just to prove a point to show y'all that my hair would be flat. That's stupid. I'm gonna just put the bonnet on and fluff it in the morning. But yeah, I don't want to take a pick or anything to my hair because I know people like, oh, you should have made your hair look bigger. Like I said, I am about to go to bed, so realistically, I don't want to do that just for the video. That makes no sense. Unless I come back in the morning. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye. But hold on, since you're still here, like, another video. Click on my cute little face to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and I'll talk to y'all in my next upload. That's just how I'm living.